This, it's a closure. Like, it looks like I took some time, but I didn't take no time at all. I'm here for it. I'm here for the 5x5 closure clip. Nobody does it like Outre.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right with the hell that you expect. Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the Outre 5x5 Closure Wig Collection. Now this is 5x5 HD Lace, honey. And this is 100% human hair blend. I'm wearing this one in the style HHB Body Curl 24" in the color number 2. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with a pre-attached elastic band that is not adjustable. It does come pre-plucked, honey, with that 5x5 closure. Then it's HD lace, girl. Let me just show you what the hairline is looking like. I'm telling y'all, the lace that they're using with this new 5x5 HD lace closure collection, like, fantastic. I have no complaints. This is hitting just like the Yaki one was, you guys. So as far as the length on this unit, just like it says on the stock card, it is 24 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come a little bit below my boobs. The density on this one is definitely a natural density for sure. This is like, I want to say, it's like maybe 150% density, and I want to say that because of the body of it. And like I said, it is 100% human hair blend, so the quality of the hair feels really good. I did go in and brush it a little bit, and as you can see, the curls did bounce right back as they should. I did get some strands, not any tangling though. A little bit of tangling, a few strands of shedding, but nothing too crazy. So like, this is all the hair at the front. You see that density. Like I said, it's a natural density, and if you want more of that body look, you can definitely just go and finger comb it out a little bit. Like I'm showing you guys, the curls are still holding. Now, as far as the cap size is concerned on this, I want to say this one is definitely coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. Just because the fact that you do get the 5x5 closure, you don't necessarily have to worry about the ear-to-ear lace. The cap does have a bit of stretch to it, so I do think if your head is on the larger side, you'll be okay with wearing this one. And my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and it's fitting my head perfectly. And I have not adjusted the straps at all. I just want to show you guys where the lace ends. So right here where you see my swoops of baby hairs, the lace literally goes from here to here. So you're gonna notice that there's no lace right there. And of course, if it was to flip up or something like that, you may look a little bit crazy because that's where the tracks start. But I think based on the way that the unit falls, you don't really have to worry about that. It probably would be a bit of a problem, I think, if you're outside and the wind is blowing, you may look a little bit crazy. Not too crazy, but a little bit crazy. Because like I said, like that's the band and this is the track. So that's just definitely something to note. They are getting me on the 5x5 closure wig train, but I think because of that specific detail with if the wind were blowing or something, being able to see just a little bit of that band or whatever, I probably would wear this with like one of my berets or something. I wear berets like all the time for work, so I probably would just pop this on. And then there we go. So when the wind's blowing, I don't gotta worry about nothing because the hat's protecting it. Now the texture on this is feeling like very slight yaki with some silkiness to it for sure. It's more silky than yaki, I can definitely say. I did go in with my heat wand at 340 degrees just to add a little bit of heat because I was noticing a little bit of humpiness going on, and since this is 100% human hair blend, you can add heat even though it doesn't list it to the card. If it is human hair blend, honey, you should be able to add heat. But like I said, I put it on 340 degrees just to be on the safer side. Didn't notice any burning or anything like that, so that was good. And I got it to lay pretty flat. I did try to just go brush it down with my bristle brush like I always do, but it wasn't necessarily giving me the flatness that I wanted, but here it is. And I think the elastic band definitely helps with adding to that flatness situation. So let me just jump right into the cons and the pros of this unit. I mean, I'm not gonna be too extra and go as I always go and say that there's no cons. My only con would probably just be the little bit of snags that I'm getting. I mean, it's nothing too crazy to make me not pick it up again, just because I feel like this was so effortless and easy and quick that like the snags that I'm getting here and there is not gonna be enough. So I'm not necessarily gonna say that it's a con. I just think it's something to just be on the lookout for. My pros, my first pro of course is gonna be the fact that this hairline is fantastic. Like the lace is lace and it's doing what it should be doing. I'm loving this new quality of lace that they're using, and I hope that they extend it and use it with their 13x4 units and their 13x6 units, because I feel like this lace is wonderful. It's thin, it's super easy to melt, it's so much minimal work. So I'm definitely here for the lace, I'm here for the hairline, I'm here for the style. So my other pros on it are definitely going to be 100% the fact that I would consider this throw on and go-ish, because it was honestly super quick to install. For this one, I feel like the more time consuming part of it was just getting it to sit and lay and have the curls look the way that I wanted it to. But other than that, I would definitely say that this is beginner friendly. This is throw in and go. Hairline's phenomenal. Baby hairs are wonderful. Like the look of it. Like, it looks like I took some time, but I didn't take no time at all. I'm here for it. I'm here for the 5x5 closure clip. You offered us the straight, you offered us this body curl, and you offered us like the Peruvian super curly vibe. Nobody does it like Outre. Like, nobody does it like Outre. But that's pretty much what I would say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.